Hi, this is Spencer Colgan and welcome to Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. And we are at the beautiful job at the Barnes & Noble on Dale Mabry, just showing off our beautiful work. Before I show you the job, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Now, as they're waiting for the certificate to open this place for business, I'm just going to pan the camera around where we did our work. And we did the installation in just under 3 days, pulling down the vinyl that you see behind me above on that nice white wall there. And then we installed our green wallpaper, their logo colors, all throughout this area in the cafe. And then of course behind their counter. And there you have it. So, if you like our work, please click on like, share it with a friend, and visit us on www.spencercolgan.com. You can visit us on the web, on YouTube, or on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you need wallpaper, contact wallpaperboulevard.com. Thanks for watching.